this video I am going to show you how to speed up a clip. To get started, I will just add a clip onto my timeline. Let's begin by selecting the razor tool and cut out the part of the video that you would like to speed up. Then, using the selection tool, make sure the cutout part of the video is selected and use the Ctrl+R keyboard shortcut to bring up the speed settings. In here, change the speed to your desired percentage. I will change mine to 200%. You'll also want to make sure that Ripple Edit Shifting Trailing Clips is selected so there's no gap between your clips after the speed up. If you have audio, you may want to check the Maintain Audio Pitch to avoid getting the squeaky audio effect. Now hit OK. When I play this back, the speed will increase when it gets to our clip. Don't forget to check out our latest video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.